What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. How have you guys been? I know I haven't been posting out videos for a while now, but I'm back. Yeah, this video I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair into pigtail buns. So let's get on with it. I'm first of all gonna take down my twist outs, and my hair was a total mess. I needed to do something to it real quick before it's something else. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the twist outs and comb it out. Let's see what I'm working with. And the fact that it was twisted out honestly did help me a lot, because the shrinkage is real, and when you have your hair probably braid it out, twist it out, whatever, it kind of helps it stretch a little bit. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pat my hair into two separate pads, and I'm trying as much as I can to see that I'm not making this look as perfect as it should, or sleek as it should, because I'm gonna be using a what's it called, a fox, is it fox or false extensions. So I would definitely make my hair look as natural as I can. Now I'm going in with the Gorilla Glue, I'm going in with that, and then sealing it out with my Got2b gel, which honestly always helps my hair keep intact each time I try to use a gel in it. And then brush it up and put it in a bun. I'm actually taking it a little bit far behind because I want it to be behind my head. Like I said, I did not try to make it as perfect as I can. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side of the hair. Spray it out with water. Put in my Gorilla gel, and then the Got2b gel. And yeah, there you have it. Then I'm gonna go ahead and touch it up with my Got2b, the places that needed to be laid a little bit more, and do my edges, whatever is left of it. We're working on those edges, guys. We're doing it. We are doing it. Now I'm putting in my extensions, and I just sprayed it with my pure oils. I love that product so much, guys. It helps me a whole lot with different things, whether I have my hair in braids or whatever it is, it comes in handy. And yes, this bun isn't that good. I'm not gonna stress over it. I'm just gonna go ahead with the second bun and fix that one later. And yeah, I'm just gonna fix it all out and see what it looks like. If you notice, I haven't tied up my hair yet. Like I said, I'm trying to get my hair to look super close to the extension that I'm using. So yes, that's why I haven't tied it up yet, but I'll do that just in a second. And now I am done with the extensions, and then I go ahead and spray that behind me. Yes, guys, this is it. Hair all tied up. My hair all tied up, I bet. And I kind of had this on for a while. I kind of forgot that I had something tied up in my hair, and trying to take it out, it's kind of stuck to my hair, and I'm like, oh my god. And one of the reasons I don't like having my hair tied up for long is that because my edges I have some issues with my edges, it kind of gives me some kind of indentations, but I'm gonna fix that, don't worry. So here we go. It came out good, and this is what it looks like, close view. You see the indentation I was talking about? Yeah, right there. And it kind of has some kind of shine to it. And if you look, you will see that my hair, it's kind of close to the extension that I'm using in terms of texture. So yes, now I'm gonna go in with this my Pure Oil product and spray on that shiny end so they can look the same way as the other ones. And yeah, basically that is what I do. As fast as that, whenever I want to put my hair in a bun. So this, I'm just gonna let it sit, and by the time it's all settled in, everything will be the same way. So guys, this is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and click on the post notification button. And yes, I will see you guys in my next video. This is it. Bye.